Yo, what is going on? It's Jake Parton, and in this episode, I'm going to be talking about how to escape the matrix and attract financial independence. Okay, guys. And that word there is very key, independence. I believe that the matrix is simply a mental trend. It's basically the collective consciousness. It's how the masses think. Okay, I want to give you a very, very small history lesson. If we go back centuries and centuries and centuries, the wealthy people, guys, the wealthy people who had the rich life, they had the power, they had the control, they didn't want the secrets of success to get out to the masses. Okay, they actually believed that creating wealth and having freedom and power was a genetic thing. Okay, so when the likes of Napoleon Hill and all the authors that you see in these books behind me, right, that they started to leak these secrets of success, people started to the people that had the power at that point thought, you know what, we need to put some control measures in. We need to make sure that people are staying on a low frequency state with the foods that we're giving them, with the media that we're feeding them, with the mental narrative that we're putting in social medias, all over the news, even the themes in films and in programs that we watch. I'm not talking about the people that are in the programs. They don't know. Okay, they're just living their life and doing what they can to win. But when you wake up to what's really going on in the world, you will, I believe, when you actually wake up, you will find a passion within you to, number one, escape the matrix, but number two, help other people do the same thing. So that's what this video is all about, because I managed to escape the matrix. Now, I actually managed to escape the matrix in my mind first, and then in physicality. I believe, like I said, it's a mental trend. It's a way of thinking. Getting yourself from the left side of money to the right side of money is a way of thinking. We have to first of all shift that paradigm, which is a multitude of thinking and doing habits, which is what Bob Proctor talks about in all his seminars. If you haven't watched any Bob Proctor's material, go to YouTube and watch this guy, man. He was one of my first mentors. I was blessed to meet him in 2018, and just going and meeting him was completely out of my comfort zone, because the matrix was in me. I was programmed to go to school, get good grades, get a good paying job, work the 40-40-40 plan, 40 hours a week for 40 years of your life, to retire on 40% of what you want more of. That was me. That was the plan I was on. Why? Because that was the plan I was given from birth. That's what my parents knew. That's what all my environment knew. So when I found the key, the cheat codes to life, and I woke up, right, I was like, wow, like I need to do this now. The first step, guys, is number one, making a decision that you are going to do this. See, a lot of people don't even make the decision. They look through the letterbox of success. They're like this. They're like that. And they're like, shall I or shall I not? It's not a fear of failure, guys. It's really not. It's a fear of success. And the reason why I say that is because if you're right now if you've woke up, you've realized that you are already failing. You realize that if I'm being controlled by another man or woman, if someone else is determining my paycheck, if someone else is determining what time I wake up, if someone else is determining the type of lifestyle me and my family get to live, well, I'm being controlled by someone else. So that is in itself failing, I believe. Okay, not bashing jobs. I'm saying use your job, be grateful for your job, but I believe everyone inside them is a leader. Okay, you may be right now a follower. I'm going to talk about leadership in another video, but you know, you being a good follower and learning from people who have the results that you want is one of the keys to success. But like I mentioned, you have to first of all wake up and make the decision. This is what I will do. The second step, guys, is what I did is I put myself into an environment of a circle of people who had already escaped the matrix, and I started to learn their language and take massive action. Okay, I put rules, routines, and rituals into my life that equaled success. See, Napoleon Hill in the book Master Key to Riches talks about how you can actually predict your success like mathematical certainty. Every time you add 2 to 2, it equals 4, meaning there's a cause and effect. So if you focus on doing daily actions based on a proven, time-tested blueprint given to you by people who have the results, guys, it's only a matter of time, and the word time itself stands for things I must experience. So you need to find that time-tested, proven blueprint that you need to succeed when it comes to whatever goals that you've set. You're going to get that blueprint from people who already have manifested what it is that you want. Once you've got that in place, you just follow it and understand that time stands for things I must experience, and it's already done. So let it be written, so let it be done. The second you write it down, it is a done deal. It is yours. You own it. You wrote it down. The last 3 letters in down is own. You now own that goal. It is you. Successful people work from the goal. They don't work towards it. They work from. That's who they embodied. They're excited. That's why they can get on with the daily grind with a smile on their face, because they're working from it. It's in their mind. It's already done. They're not hoping and wishing that things are going to work out. They already know. They know they're not a quitter. They know that they're going to keep doing it. That's how I was walking around my job. I was walking around like I was already a millionaire. I didn't care about breaking some man-made rules at work so I can build my business. I didn't care about being fired, being sacked. I didn't care about stuff like that. I was like, let's do this. I'd get told off for reading books. I get told off for being on my phone. I get told off left, right, and centre. But people want you to stay locked up in the matrix. It's quite hard to actually get fired. I'm being honest. And in fact, the agents tried to get me at the end, man. They tried to get me, but I managed to survive it. So I'm really grateful. But guys, listen. How to escape the matrix? Very, very simple, man. Understand it's a mental process. Work on your mentality every day. Drain your mind with the right material every single day. You can't take a day off when it comes to mentally rewiring your mind. Number 2, surround yourself with people who have already that result. Get the blueprint from them and then attack it. Attack it every single day. Do your very best. And I promise you, it has to happen. Steve Jobs said you can't connect the dots looking forward, only backwards, meaning the how is not up to us. We need to know the what. We do the work. We rely on the universal principles and being guided by infinite intelligence and God, whatever you believe in personally, and it's going to happen, guys. All right, so listen, I've been Jake Parton. Go to the link in the bio. Check out the podcast, the official Being Pimp podcast, and let's make it happen, guys. All right, speak soon.